Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to open business account on Revolut. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up a web browser and go to Google and search over here Revolut business account. And from here you should be able to see here the Revolut business account. So click on over here. And now what you could try to do as well is go to revolut.com/business, and it will redirect you to this page. And from here on this page, just simply click on get started. And once you have done that, it will redirect you to the sign up page, and just simply select a country over here. So click on here, and you can just simply select the country that you have, or you can just simply use the search bar over here and select your country manually. And after that, once you have selected your country, just simply click on continue. And after that, just simply click on join waiting list now. And as you can see, Revolut will let us know when we can sign up. So from here, just simply click on join waiting list and just simply provide the legal business type. So from here, you can use the search bar, or you can just simply use the options over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for partnership and click on continue. So guys, from here you will have two options. You can sign up using your email manually over here at the top, or sign up with Google or Apple. So in my case, I will sign up with Google and just simply select my account and click on continue. And once we have done that, just simply go ahead and provide your phone number and just simply select the right country that you have over here. So this will be depending on you, and just simply provide your phone number and click on continue. And after that, guys, a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone. So just simply provide that. And once you have provided it, it will let you create a password over here. And make sure you meet these requirements over here and click on continue. And after that, just simply confirm your password again by just simply retyping it again once more and click on continue. And after that, just simply provide your first name and your last name, guys. And make sure the name is in your official documents. And provide your birth date and click on continue. And after that, just simply provide your business legal name. Or if you have a business trade name, you can just simply provide it over here. And now just simply click on continue. And from there, you should be able to join the waiting list. And once you have been accepted, Revolut will send you an email, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.